Evening, I'm NTV Chief Meteorologist Eddie Shear. Futurecast starting us off tonight showing an area of low pressure in southern Quebec. That low is going to work its way to the east overnight. As it does so, the cold front works its way to the south, and we see some rain showers and light rain arriving across central and the west coast tomorrow morning. We'll also see this cooler air beginning to move in as well as that frontal boundary sinks to the south. So tonight, for a lot of us, it's going to stay mild, but as the front pushes south tomorrow, temperatures will fall sharply as we go into the afternoon. And after the front passes, it looks like a lot of us will be in for some showers tomorrow. Not a whole lot in the way of heavy rain, just looks like light rain and showers as we head through Thursday. In Labrador, area of high pressure builds in, which will bring a rather nice day north with some clouds trying to linger, especially for Churchill Falls and Labrador City. As far as temperatures go tonight, a lot of us are going to hold right about 20 degrees, but by tomorrow morning that front has already pushed toward Lassie and Twillingate, St. Anthony. Temperatures there 10-11 degrees. Watch what happens as we go into the morning. We see that cooler air sinking southward. It's 13 degrees by 8 o'clock in Badger, 14 in Gander, still 19 at St. John's and 22 at Terra Nova. So a nice warm start to the day for a lot of us, but by lunchtime, lots of the island now seeing that cooler air sink south. And it looks like between about noon and 3, temperatures in the metro go from 20 to 12. So a very stark drop in temperatures. As the kids go out to the bus stop or you go out for work tomorrow morning, a jacket may not be the first thing on your mind because it's going to be mild. But when you're getting out of work, when the kids are heading home, they're certainly going to want it because it's going to be quite a bit cooler as we get into the evening tomorrow. And it looks like temperatures by 6 o'clock in the evening, still mild south, but they even will fall tomorrow evening as that colder air pushes all the way down to the south coast as that frontal boundary will actually stall. In Labrador, overnight temperatures about 3-4 degrees for much of the big land on the coast, a little bit warmer in the west with some showers, and then for tomorrow, I think Hopedale, Makowik, probably closer to 10 than 3. Cartwright, Mary's Harbor, about 8 or 9 degrees tomorrow. More than likely, though, it looks like a fair amount of sun and cloud across the big land as we go into our Thursday. Next weather maker comes in for Friday. Looks like some heavy rain potentially, especially for the island and parts of southeastern Labrador. Environment Canada has issued a special weather statement for the island, I should say for central and western Newfoundland, and a good chunk of Labrador once we get west of Norman Bay, Lodge Bay, all along the TLH, and then south of there. However, I'm not sure Lab West will actually see the rain, or same thing with Goose Bay. It's going to depend where this boundary actually sets up that's going to drive the rain, but I think southeast Labrador and the island will see rain. And as of now, I think this special weather statement may actually have to be extended farther east and south, as it looks like much of the island will see about 50 mils of rain Friday into Friday night from the latest computer model guidance that I'm watching. It's all from this area of low pressure that will take shape over the Gaspé Peninsula on Friday, and that will move through as we go through the day Friday into Friday night, bringing some very heavy rain. But this computer model not showing the heavy rain, which I think Friday night will be centered really here, and then another area of heavy rain here with not a whole lot in between. So we'll see exactly what goes down, but either way it looks like the heavy rain thread across much of the island as we go into Friday night and early Saturday. And Saturday not looking great right now as we're going to be on the backside of the low, so winds will be from the north or northwest, and we'll see gusty winds and onshore showers for anywhere near coastal areas that have north exposed coastlines. So as of now, Saturday is not looking very nice with highs only in the lower to mid-teens. Hope you found this informative. Have a great night. After this evening, I am going to be sort of on holiday and not for the next couple of weeks. I'll be back on the 22nd officially. But between now and then, I am taking some time off, and I'm also going to a weather conference down in Virginia. So that will be very interesting, and I will enjoy my time off. And while I'm gone, you'll be in good hands. I think Sharon's got control of the weather, and the forecast will be done by the smart meteorologists over at AMEC Foster Wheeler. So you're in good hands until I return. Have a great evening, and enjoy the next couple weeks.